What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Green, like the trees and the grass in a garden.
Exactly. I love the color of nature. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue, like the sky.
Blue is a very calm color. I like it. What is your favorite animal?
Easy. Dog, of course.
I know, because of Max.
Yes. Dogs are loyal and friendly.
My favorite animal is a cat. They are so elegant and independent.
Elegant is a good word for cats. What are your hobbies, Emily?
I am an art student, so my hobby is painting. I also like to read books.
Reading is a fantastic hobby. What kind of books do you read?
I like storybooks. Adventure stories are my favorite.
How exciting!
Very active.
Do you like to watch movies?
Yes, comedy movies and animated movies.
Same. I love comedies.
Let's talk about things we don't like. What food do you not like, Paul?
I do not like olives.
Really? I like olives.
What about you?
I don't like spicy food. Very hot food.
Same. Very spicy. No thank you.
What activity do you not like?
I don't like to wait in long lines.
Me neither. I also don't like waking up early.
I understand completely. This is a good way to describe yourself. Say what you like and don't like.
Yes, for example, hello, my name is Paul. I am a teacher. I like dogs and pizza, but I don't like olives.
Or, hi, I'm Emily. I'm a student. I love cats and pasta, but I don't like waking up early.
Perfect. Simple, clear, friendly.
We covered a lot. Name, where you live, age, job, family, pets, hobbies, likes, and dislikes.
You don't need to say everything at the same time.
That's right. Choose what fits the situation.
And remember, tell me about yourself is not scary. It's an invitation.
It was nice learning more about you, Emily.
And you too, Paul.
Thank you all for listening today.
Please subscribe, like, and share our podcast.
And answer the question of the day in the comments. Tell us about yourself.
We will be back soon with another fun episode. Bye!